Alright guys, so to boost your count and to be very strong and agile, this is gonna replace anything you need to drink to be strong in bed. I don't want to mention the name, okay, for the interest of children. So I know you adults should understand what I mean. So you will be needing cucumber, and cucumber is a great remedy that would help you internally to boost it up and to increase the count of it, and then you're going to increase your strength. And also tomato. Now, have you tried tomato for that? Now, this is wonders. This is a remedy that would help you so much in boosting your count, and it will make you much more efficient and much more stronger. So also egg. You'll be needing egg. However, you can take this, it's better you take it raw so it can actually make it really work. And then you also be needing some dates. So you'll be needing fresh dates, the ripe or the unripe, but it has to be dates that contains seed, guys, because anything seedless, it's not organic. Okay, so you need to take something organic, and date helps so much in replacing the lost strength and energy. So you're going to be needing this a whole lot to increase your performance. So we're going to be needing just a little slice of this, okay, and then we're going to be needing a blender to blend this. Alright guys, so you have to cut open the watermelon, and then we'll put it inside of the blender so we can blend it. Plus the seed is actually very important. And then we're going to cut in the tomato, and we would put that into the blender. And now we're going to remove the seed of the date. Alright guys, so 3 seeds of dates will be okay, and now we're gonna go blend this, and I'll be right back. Alright, so here's the blended tomato, and dates plus watermelon, and this is, it looks really yummy. Now let me have a taste of this before we complete the ingredients. Really yummy. And now we're going to be putting in the egg. So if you can take raw egg, man, you are going to be on top of the world, because this is going to be really great for you. This is basically what you need for your stamina. You can take this, guys, you're there. This is how it looks like, and this is basically what is going to help you boost your energy, increase your count, and it's going to make your vijay sweeter, and you're going to be so strong. Alright, so you can actually take this every day. If you can take it every day, and it's going to be wonderful. It's going to be really nice. There's actually no side effects.